Hello guys, welcome back to the debug arena. In the previous video, we have seen that how can we make an API in Node.js. We have made this API. This is a basic API which does nothing as of now, but through this API we have learned about how API works, how it sends a request and receives a response. So now we will make this API dynamic. So for that we will use MongoDB. In this video, I am going to show you how can we connect MongoDB with Node.js. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to use the MongoDB in your Node.js project, we have to make an account on MongoDB website. So go to this website mongodb.com, log in there. I had already logged in here. You can see that currently I am at the dashboard of MongoDB. Now we will make a new project. So click on new project, enter the project name. I will enter YouTube. Okay, and just click on create project. Now we have to click here build a database. So suppose if you have been logged in for the first time, then you will see this screen. So you have to continue from here. You have to choose the shared and the free one. Here you have to choose shared. Here AWS, choose any location and then click on create cluster. Now we have to give here username and password. So I am giving it. And also remember this username and password. Okay, now I have created the user. So you can see here that it is showing this process will take 3 to 5 minutes. So we will wait for this. You can see here that my cluster is ready. So now again go to the project. I will click on database. Now our cluster is ready. Now click on connect. Here click on choose a connection method. And now we have to choose connect your application, and you can see here that we are getting this code. So copy this code and now come back to your Visual Studio in that folder. Okay, now that part is done. Now here we have to install the MongoDB. So go to a terminal and here install this package Mongoose. With the help of Mongoose, we will connect to MongoDB from Node.js. And it is successfully installed. Now get back to the code. Now import Mongoose. So I will write Mongoose is equals to require Mongoose. So I had imported it. Now what you have to do, just go down here. Now here create a variable named mongo URL and paste the URL which you have copied and paste it inside the string. Also you can see here this is your username and you have to write your password. So I am writing a password here. So this step is done. Now to connect it, follow this command mongoose.connect. By this we will connect it. Now here pass that URL to which you have to connect and also pass this thing. Now I will handle it through the promise. Then and if the connection is successful, then it will console connected to database. Okay, you have to keep it in string. Okay, and if not, then it will show us error console.log e. So now we are ready to just remove this. Now we are ready. We had written all the code to connect our MongoDB to the Node.js. Now save it and start our server. So I'm going to cmd nodemon app, and you can see here that we are only getting server started and we are not getting connection successful. That means that our MongoDB is not connected to our Node.js. Let me see what is the error. Click on connect. Okay, sorry, I had forget here to add IP address. So you have to click here inside add a connection IP address. You have to click here allow access from anywhere, or you can add your device IP address. But I prefer this. Okay, then you have to copy this might be there as a default, and then click on add IP address and just refresh this. Again go to your Node.js server. You can see here that we are getting error. Just restart this server and you can see here that we are now getting connected to database. This means that now our MongoDB has been successfully connected to our Node.js server. So now we can make any type of changes in our MongoDB through an API. We can insert a user data, we can remove a user data, we can create a schema and lot of operations. So in the next video, I will show you how can we create a schema and how can we add a user in MongoDB through API. That's it for this video, and if you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.